So now we will be performing a count on a roll column. Why? Because like we did not perform any specific task on roll column up to now. So we will perform count on roll from cricketers. क्या देगा? Let's see. So it has given 10 rows. Why? Because like there are 10 records, right? 10 rows in the roll column. Batsman, 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 batsman. करके. So that is all about a counter. Let's go with counter distinct. Like it will be giving only distinct values of the counter. For example, uh, sorry, let's see the table data again from what's our table name? It's cricketers, right? Frequently like yeah. So this is the table name, right? Sorry, this is the table data. So let us see in our country column. There is India, England, Australia, Pakistan, New Zealand. And India is repeating twice. India is repeating twice. Australia is repeating twice, and England also is repeating twice. So we don't want like there are duplicate values only, right? Like India का duplicate value है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू भी है और इंग्लैंड का डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू भी है. लाइक there is a duplicate value for all these three countries, but there are no duplicate value for Pakistan, New Zealand, Afghanistan, and there is some other country, Bangladesh. So if you want only unique values, like I want only one India, like I don't want two records of India. I want only one record of India. I want only one record of Australia, one record of England, as well as one record of all the other countries, Pakistan, New Zealand, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan. So in order to get the unique records of the column, like I don't want any duplicates. I want only unique records of the column. Then we can use the syntax, like we can use a keyword called distinct count. I'll show you with an live example. We will be implementing in MySQL now. So select a counter and distinct, distinct of a country. I want only distinct values of the country column from क्या? From what is this? Cricketers. I'm frequently not remembering, like, I'm frequently forgetting the table name. Cricketers. Cricketers. So it will be giving the count of only unique values, not duplicate values. This code and syntax will be giving only the value of unique values. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So let's run this. See, we got only 7 records. Why? Because like duplicate, India has duplicate, Australia has duplicate, as well as England has duplicate, right? It has deleted those duplicate values and it gave only the result gave only the unique values which are present in that column. Now let us go to count star. Sorry. Let's also perform other count distinct on other another column called roll. So count क्या है यहाँ पर? Distinct. Distinct will be performing distinct count on roll column from a table name is cricketers, right? So yeah, if you run this, it will be giving only one or two records. Why? Because like batsman is repeated many times, right? In the 10 records, there is only one record. Like there is only one record, but it has been duplicated many times. Like batsman is coming in the second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, vice versa. Let's see what will be the result of this code. So there is three. Why? Because there is three. Interesting, right? So what are the rules are there? Let's see. There is batsman, there is bowler, and there is all-rounder too. Okay. So I thought only batsman is present. Why? Because we did not perform any calculations or any tasks up to now. Nah, I thought only batsman is there, but there is also a bowler. There is also an all-rounder. So distinct values क्या है? Three distinct values here. One is batsman, one is bowler, and one is all-rounder. So distinct works, count distinct works in that way. And let's discuss about count star. Count star is nothing but it will be counting non null values also. Like it will be counting null values also. Count and count distinct does not like they will not count the null values, but the count distinct count star will be counting the null values too. For example, let's say I want to say actually there is no null values in our table, but assume if there are null values, like in place of Virat Kohli and Joe Root, assume there are null values. I'll go with count star. Count star is nothing but like we are dealing with count star from the first class itself, right? Like from the starting, from the beginning itself. It is used to, star is nothing but asterisk, which is used to fetch or retrieve all the data. Count from table name is cricketers. So a count star क्या करेगा? It will be fetching all the records of the specific column. Even it may be null or not null. It will be counting that as row. Null को भी record जैसा like it will be counting that as row null for null value also, and it will be giving all the records. Not only non-null, it will be counting the null values also, and it will be giving all the records of the specific column, specific columns. So क्या आया 10 आया था like we have assumed Virat Kohli as well as Joe Root का record as null, but it gave 10 records, right? So it counted as like it counted as rows of null values also. So this is all about count, guys. In the next section, in the next video, we will be learning about other aggregate functions, as well as we'll also learn about group by. Group by is often used with these aggregate functions. We'll also learn about having to. It's similar to where condition, where keyword, but it's somewhat it is used only with the aggregate functions or group by. We will be learning about them in detail in the next videos. Thank you.